Superstar, 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 superstar.
Hi, this is Tim with the Phone Doctors. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Samsung Galaxy S3 Digitizer LCD replacement. Before we get started, I'll show you the tools that you'll need to successfully make this repair. First, you'll need the screen, which has the touchscreen and the LCD together. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pick, and a metal pick. To get started, we'll turn it over and take off the battery door, which unclips at the top and then just unclips. Then you'll take the battery out. And then if you have SIM cards or memory cards, make sure to take those out as well. To get this back cover off, we're going to take out 10 Phillips screws, which are located here, 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 and here. Once we get the screws out, we'll just put this over in the corner right there. So now the screws are out and we're ready to take off this back plate. It's cut up in two portions, this bottom portion and this top part where here are separate. I'll show you. Get your pick in between the white bezel and the silver, or if it's a black S3, then it'll just easily come out like that. Nothing really magical about this piece. Doesn't have any speakers like the other Galaxy S's do. Then you notice this piece right here is still there. You get your plastic pick and take off this flex cable right there. Then you can sometimes this is just going to clip out. As you can see here, the headset jack plugs right there. That's what you unplugged. So I'll move that off to the side. And now we're ready to take out the circuit board. There's only one screw that holds the board in, which is located right down here by the charge port. It's black. You'll just want to take that out. And you can put that off to the side. There are multiple flex cables holding down the circuit board. Right down here is your LCD Digitizer flex connector. You get your black plastic pick underneath that and unplug it. Do not want to use the metal pick. You can knock circuits off. It's very imperative that you use the plastic pick. Right up here is another flex cable, which you'll want to unplug, which is your front camera. That's it right there. So once you have those cables undone, you'll want to unplug your antenna. Move that out of the way. And after that point, you're ready to take the circuit board out. It just comes out like this. And there it is. Put that off to the side. Alright, since we got the circuit board taken out, now we're ready to take off the glass. To take the glass off, you will need to use either a heat gun or a hair dryer to kind of melt the 3M adhesive that holds the glass on. And you can get that either at a hardware store or you may have a hair dryer at home that you could use. sometimes you need a rag to hold it because it can get really hot. And then we'll just take our pick, and you want to get in between the metal bezel and the screen. Just kind of get underneath it. And the screen probably will break more. Just separating that glass like so. Now this Galaxy S does not have a flex cable like the Galaxy S2 or Samsung Captivate phones that have usually a flex down here at the bottom. This one does not have that. Get that glass out of the way here. And this is the LCD portion. It's being difficult to come up. Try heating it up again. This is 3M'd down really good compared to the other Samsungs. But if you can just get underneath it, you should be able to. And now that you get the screen off, you just want to clean it up. There's no glass underneath. If there's any type of glass underneath, the screen can cause the screen to easily break the next time. And if you're doing this repair, you know how expensive the screens are. All this stuff right here that I'm picking up is old adhesive that you'll have new adhesive on the new screen, so you won't have to worry about leaving any of this on. just want to clean off the glass. Take your finger and kind of rub it around. Make sure if you have like a little toothbrush that could work as well. You know, a rag. Just kind of wipe off the phone, making sure that all the glass is off. Just want to get all this glass out of the way here before we apply the new screen. Alright, so we're cleaned up there. Now we'll grab our new screen. This has 3M adhesive right here, so this screen will stay down. I'm just going to pull that off, like so, and top portion right there. So sticky everywhere. You'll want to feed the flex cable through the frame, like so. Line up the home button and the ear speaker mesh. Make sure that that's all lined up. You can hit your home button, make sure it's going to pop and it's not jammed. You should be ready to go to reassemble back together. Grab the circuit board, and you'll want to pull back the camera flex. Just kind of lay it back into place. There's a tin of wire right here. It can get caught underneath the circuit board, so you want to grab that out. Plug in the flex cable back in for the LCD digitizer and your camera. Alright, everything's back into place. I'll put just the black screw in, holding down the circuit board right down here. If you've ordered the screen and you feel that this repair is maybe a little too difficult for you, or something you didn't want to attempt, you can always mail it into us. Visit us at phonedoctors.com/mail. To order the screens, you can also go to our website, phonedoctors.com, and we have the screens available on our website. Plug in the headset jack, which plugs in snug, and then the flex cable will plug into the circuit board. Make sure you plug that in. Before I plug that in, excuse me, we want to plug our antenna in. This way we can get service. There you go there. Everything snaps back in. And now we'll put our shoes back in. So we got the screws back in. Now we'll insert the battery. Back door. And our power button here on the side. And there it is. Just didn't hit it long enough. Powering on, and I'll wait for it to power on, and we can test the touchscreen out and make sure everything's working perfectly fine. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button at the bottom of the page. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and get all the latest info, emails on the latest videos, as far as the HTC One X that's coming out, iPad 3 video we're working on, and the new Galaxies that are coming out here in the future. And it is sliding, it is touching, home button's working, and we're good to go. That is how you successfully replace the Galaxy S3 Digitizer and LCD replacement. And thanks, guys, for joining us.
Take a trip to my